It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha method of joyful design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. In this video, I invite you to come along with me and watch me decorate. I put together a room refresh on a budget. This video is full of ideas, tips, and inspiration to help you transform your room the custom on a budget way. I know exactly how it feels to look at a room and imagine, how did it get this way? The thing to remember is it doesn't have to stay that way. Let's go through the 5 easy steps to help you refresh a room on a budget. Step number 1, all important, you have to make a plan. In design, we call the plan a mood board. You can go ultra fancy, design a mood board using Pinterest, create a mood board using PowerPoint, or you could just sketch something on a piece of paper. The idea is you've got to have a plan. I encourage you to use technology to your advantage. Check out spaces on Pinterest and even house.com. You can get great ideas. Let your imagination run wild. We'll get to budget in a minute. Step number 2, prepare your space for the transformation. In this room, I was working with the client, so I gave her the task of cleaning up all the clutter. A typical small room transformation will take you around a week to maybe even 2 weeks, depending upon how much time you have available. So don't get frustrated if everything's not finished in one day. Step number 3, to refresh and transform a room, I always recommend you use some paint. Whether you're painting an accent wall or the entire room, painting is the cheapest, quickest way to transform a space. You want to purchase your supplies. You can get great supplies from Amazon. I'll drop a link to that below, or just shopping your local big box store. Pro tip, take good care of your supplies. If you're going to continue to do DIY projects, you'll want to clean your supplies so you can reuse them for other projects. I am all about helping you to save money, do things the smart way, and get that wow factor. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I know you're loving it. Remember to follow the directions on your paint can. Yes, read the paint can or do your research. Watch videos, read articles, but typically you need to let wall paint dry at least 4 hours between coats. That way you get a really good cure on the paint. While you're painting, be sure to protect things you don't want paint to get on, like the floor, or if you have some furniture that you can't move out of the room, make sure you cover everything well. Floor covering hack. Go to the thrift store, get some old curtains, don't get the most expensive ones, and use those as your drop cloth. Step number 4, you are going to repurpose as much furnishing as you possibly can. That's right. I want you to go and shop your own home first. Most homeowners have pieces in their home that could be repurposed and used better in a new location. I'm sure that's the case for you too. If that's you, drop me in the comment section below. For this design, I repurposed an old worn-out bench. The top of this bench had seen better days, that's for sure. The homeowner was actually thinking of throwing this bench away, but I convinced her I had the magic touch. I could bring this baby back to life. For the fabric, I purchased a high-quality curtain panel from the thrift store and used that to recover this bench. I'm not gonna lie, the homeowner was shocked. We also repurposed the homeowner's existing futon. I did purchase a new futon cover at a discount store. Repurposing the existing furniture saved this homeowner thousands of dollars. What room are you thinking of transforming in your home? Drop it in the comment section below. And let me know, what furniture do you think you can repurpose? Now for your budget. I believe that most room transformations can be accomplished for under $500. How do you do that? Well, that leads us to step number 5. For pieces that you don't have that you need to purchase, you're going to shop the online discount stores like Wayfair and TJ Maxx and even Overstock. They don't advertise themselves as discount stores, but that's pretty much what they are. A great strategy is to shop when those online stores have sales, typically around holidays. The other way you're going to save big is to shop at thrift stores and use online shopping platforms like Facebook Marketplace. In this room transformation, some of the wall art, the small decor, and the lovely sheer curtains all came from the thrift store. I also had the homeowner repurpose a bookcase that she was using in her living room that was in the wrong location and move it up to this digital recording lounge transformation. For the grand finale, remember to set aside at least 5 to 6 hours to completely set up your staging and your styling of your transformed room. This homeowner wanted to transform this rarely used guest bedroom and turn it into a digital recording lounge. Now this room can do double duty. That futon now can be a wonderful location for guests when they sleep over. She can also record videos and do music and go live on social media, and now she has a pretty dope place to do it. When you're planning and thinking about transforming a room, I want you to keep these 3 design principles in mind: color, pattern, and texture. Design is really all about individuality. Redesigning a space gives you an opportunity to showcase who you are and let the world know you are unapologetic about it. Your home is actually your ultimate retreat. Vacations are cool, don't get me wrong, but there's nothing better than having a space you love so much that when you leave, you can't wait to get back to it. I designed and decorated this room using the colorful boho design style. Boho is not just white, brown, and tan and a little bit of gray. And don't forget to showcase something in your room that has deep meaning for you. In this room transformation, I hung the Homeowners Music Awards. It was the first time she'd ever had them on display. Don't be shy. Celebrate and honor yourself. Design and decorating your home is not about copying something you saw on a TV show. It's about tapping into who you are and creating a home that motivates you, inspires you, and is your sanctuary to regenerate. And hey, the new purchase cost to transform this room, including purchasing the paint, was just under $500. Whether it's my own home or I'm working with a client, I'm always using the principles of joyful design to give the homeowner a space they will truly love. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I know you're loving it. Here's how the homeowner set up the space for her digital recording lounge. I'm loving it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY Duo Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.